Yes, I know. Super cool, right? That's not what we're doing today, though. Today, I'm building a door for a skid steer. 873 Bobcat. So, stick around. Well, it's Sunday. Long weekend. I don't know any different. Today, I'm building a door for a Bobcat. These doors are pretty easy to steal, so guys steal them, I guess. I don't know. Somebody must have wrecked one and then stole one, and then it just carries on and on. So a customer of mine wanted a door. So me, never having built one before, said, sure. So here's what I came up with. It's a bit of a different style because it's not a flat door. It's got about a, I don't know what that is, about a 35-degree kick on it or something. So it was a bit of fun to make that. The bottom part was super easy, just like a square. And of course I had to do the whole, build a handle mechanism from scratch. So it works pretty well from the outside. Just push it up and it opens. I put a handle on it too. Look at this guy. And then from the inside, obviously, pull it down and you can get out. Nice to get out. This thing has air conditioning and a heater, so in the summer and the winter they've been struggling for the last few years, so this is going to come in really handy for them. I just built hinges from scratch. I use 7/16 bolts, and maybe we'll put a lock nut on there so nobody can steal this one, because this one's a classic. On the inside, I left a 1/2-inch gap here, so he's going to put a 5mm Lexan in here and 2 layers of 1/8 rubber. So I just did, I didn't go all the way around with it. I just did like 5 pieces of angle, and those are just screwed on so that you can put your rubber and your Lexan in there and then just put the screws in, and it locks it in there really nice. It'll have a split here in the Lexan, and they'll just silicone that, but you'll still have full access. It'd be nice if a guy could bend the Lexan, but not my department. Anyway, closes really nice, opens really nice, looks really nice. 873 Bobcat door from scratch. So hope you like that. It's a little different project for me. I told him it wouldn't be ready till Tuesday, so I can go and move some dirt around. Besse Custom Fab. Rock and roll.